Hello. Today I'm going to show you how to create a population pyramid using Google Sheets. It's really easy. All you have to do is follow these simple steps. So first, you need to have good data. Where I got my data from is Statistics Canada. And then I just had to do a little simple math to get the percentages right. Then, all you have to do to start off is you select the data. I start off at age. I highlight the numbers all the way down to here, and I release.
Once you've selected the data, you insert chart. Then you're going to select the chart type, and you're going to scroll down to where you see the two bars beside each other in bar. That creates a population pyramid with males on the left and females on the right. That's because we put a negative value on the male data so that it gives it that split between the axes. Then you need to write your title, Canada, the year, population pyramid, by your name, and the date. The next thing we need to do is we need to put titles on the axes. For the horizontal, we're going to put the percentage of population, and for the vertical axes, we're going to put age cohort. The next thing we are going to do is put minimum and maximum values of a -10 and +10. This is so that all the populations will be at the same scale and we can compare them. Then you're done. If you want to insert it, you can copy it, you can paste it into another document, you can save it as an image, or you can publish it as its own individual website. That's it.